kahit ano. Yan, ganda guys. Dito sa Mayfu. Ano tawag dito? Mayfu Garden. Lychee-Cook Park. Yun. Yun pala yun. Lychee-Cook Park. Yan. It's a beautiful park. Yan guys. Oh. Look at that. Let's see what is there. Oh! There is a turtle. Bumaba siya. Let's see the other side. Look at the turtle, guys. Oh, ang lalaki. Yan, guys. It's a lake. There's a fish. And look at the turtle. Ay! They are running away. Look at the other one. He's so brave. Yan, guys. Look. He's so brave. He doesn't want to go away. Yan. Hi, turtle. How are you? And guys, let's go to the other side. Ito guys, may lake sila. And let's cross the bridge. Ah, there are more. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this, guys. Ayan o, nagpatong-patong sila. Are they meeting? Or what? Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan o. Patong-patong sila. Ewan ko kung they are making love or what. Lang daming turtle dito guys. Making. Ala, they also know how to love making. There, you see there, big one.
Yung mga anak nila nasa ibabaw.
Look at their babies on top of them. Oh dear. Oh, tignan nyo guys. Nasa ibabaw nila yung mga anak nila. Oh. Oh. Yan guys. Ganyan pala sila mag-alaga. Ganyan pala sila mag-alaga guys ng mga anak nila. Kinikerry din nila guys. Yan. Let's go. Yan guys, tingnan nyo. Ganyan pala sila mag-alaga guys. Oh. Kinikerry din nila yung baby nila. Oh, so sweet, diba? Yan. And there are fish also. Look at them. And there's a flower there. Ang ganda guys. Ooh! One is swim. Dami nila turtle. So, let's continue walking guys.
Oh, dalo mo baka mababit.
Still in the lake. Let's go there. Ikutin natin yung ano. Oh.
Malaki pa nakakapapayahan sa kanto mo.
There's a beautiful flower. Ang ganda guys. It's purely white. What's that? Oh, look at that. It's so nice.
Focus mo di bagay.
Yan.
Sila dragon tree.
Like a dragon tree. Nakakita na kayo guys ng dragon tree? It's like a dragon really. Ayan guys.
Literal na dragon tree yung ano.
Oh.
Ito ay ajay-bagi na. Pas lang kasiksik na.
It's so nice. Yan guys. Let's walk here. It's so nice. The stones. How they organize. Ayan. Let's move. And this is the cave. Oh. And this is the other part of the lake. Ayan, guys. It's a big lake. Ayan. Oh, ang ingay ng mga turtle guys. Ayan. Oh, ganun pala yung ano nila. Siguro ganun din sila yung guk-guk, ganun. It's so beautiful. Ang ganda ng pagkaano niya. Really guys. Oh. Sinarahan nila yung daanan papunta sa loob. Ayun, ang dami nila. It's so many guys. It's so beautiful how they make the garden. So beautiful. Can you hear guys yung sound ng mga turtles? Oh. Ang dami nila guys. There. Nagpapasan sila. Ayan. Oh. Nagpapainit sila. Yan lang. Pero ang ganda ng lake. It's so amazing.